to this week's workshop series where we provide industry advice to assist you in your job search. This week we'll discuss all you need to know about becoming an account manager. As an account manager, you'll serve as the liaison between the company and the customers or the vendors. Account managers are responsible for addressing customer concerns and needs quickly and effectively to really ensure that they're developing and maintaining those professional relationships. When companies look for an account manager, they usually look for a candidate with a strong attention to detail, excellent communication skills, and they're typically the main point of contact for those customers. Usually, you should be familiar with Microsoft Office, sometimes Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, whatever CRM system that the company would utilize. Other account management duties would include communicating with current potential clients on the phone, via email, building and maintaining those positive relationships to sustain that internally and externally, and entering orders within the CRM. To set yourself apart from these candidates, you'll want to ensure that you are outgoing, you have phenomenal customer service skills. All of these tips will be very helpful for you. If you're looking for work, visit our website at citypersonnel.net.